Well, folks, I got another issue, this time with my gas tank installation. Before buying this Jeep, it had sustained some rear end damage in an accident, and the skid plate and spare tire compartment were damaged. I've shown working on these issues in the past. I will have to disconnect my tank, pull it back out, and do some more work with the spare tire compartment. The bottom of the compartment is too low and won't allow the gas tank to come up high enough for installation. You can see where the top of that fuel tank fits up into a cavity inside that compartment. So this will be my scheduled work throughout the weekend and probably early next week.
Good morning, this is another My Jeep update, and it's early Friday morning, about 7. Okay, I ran into another problem you saw at the beginning of this video clip with my fuel tank, and the problem is this spare tire compartment here. It was damaged in the wreck this Jeep was in before I bought it, and it was all crushed upward. Up this way, it was all crushed upward, and what I did, I got in there with a sledgehammer and I beat it down. I didn't think it was going to be a problem, but I didn't really think about it, or if I had more experience, I probably would have realized it. If I had a little more common sense, I probably would have realized it. But you could see this fuel tank kind of rises in the center, and this compartment has a cavity, and I guess this kind of fits up in there. Anyway, the way it is right now, it comes up to here, and it's keeping, let me see if I can get some light over there, and it's keeping my skid plate mounts from about this far from completing. It'll go up there, but it's at an angle here, and it will not go any further because it's up against this. So I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do, and the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disconnect everything. All I have to do is take this hose off here, fuel vent hose, quick detach fuel lines, and take that rollover hose off. And the electric, I think just one electrical connection I got to disconnect. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this tank back out, get it out of the way, and I'm gonna do something to this. I'm gonna, fix it somehow. I'm not sure how yet. I thought about cutting part of it out. I may do that. I may do some. I may try to crush it up with this. Push it upward in the center with this jack and some 4x4s that I got. Anyway, that's to be determined. When I figure out what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and post this video so you know what the slowdown is. And so I got some issues to deal with and some more rework. That's my Jeep out for Friday morning.
And just a recap on the issues I have. The skid plate mount will not come up close enough to the bolt holes due to the bottom of the spare tire compartment being too low. I will make a decision on repairs and update at the end of the weekend or next week. So I'll go ahead and get this update posted, and I'll make another one as soon as I make some progress on these issues. And I really appreciate you watching, and please come back.